everyone, welcome to my channel. I will share you how to create a sound.me campaign in our account. Let's go!
Let's open our Chrome and find sound.me as shown below. Before we join, be sure to have your email address and don't forget the password. They will send you email. As you log in, enter your email and follow the steps the sound.me give you. After you're done, let sound.me authorize to access your TikTok account. This is our profile looks like.
If you have questions, please comment down and I try my best na gawa ng video para maintindihan natin ng lahat. Thank you and follow for more. Bye-bye!